Welcome to a new video. We are making quesadillas. Two different types of quesadillas. Salmon quesadillas and chicken enchilada quesadillas. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be working on is some salmon quesadillas. So you just get your salmon. Drain the fluid. Okay. So that is a bit not gonna taste good if you put the whole thing in there. So we're gonna separate it. So put that in there. Then just go through it and get the skin, any bones that might be in it. And it's up to you what you're going to do with the rest of that. I'm just going to throw it away. Okay, now that we got this, now we're going to add some spices. Now, first two we're going to add basil and oregano. No specific measurement, but a fair amount. Then we're going to have rosemary. Go a little light on the rosemary. That should be good. And then finally, dillweed. That should be good. Okay, mix that up. There you go. You want to, oops, it spilled a little bit. You want a fairly greenish mix within in it. So there's that. Okay, so quesadillas need to have cheese, otherwise it's not considered a quesadilla. So I have some mozzarella cheese here. Now we're gonna shred some. Almost there. There you go. And you have the cheese. Okay. So, another thing you need is a tortilla. So we are going to be using these corn tortillas to make some. So, these tortillas don't fold super well. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna heat them up a little bit, a few seconds in the microwave, or on a hot plate, skillet, something like that, just for a few seconds to make them more floppy. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a little bit here, sprinkle it on. And put it on. It's up to you how much you want to put on there. I'm putting roughly that much on. Put just a little bit more cheese on. Fold it. And then you're going to put it on the stove. Right? and then cook it. Okay, now we're gonna go to the chicken enchilada, quesadillas, and then we're gonna do the taste test. Okay, now time for the chicken enchilada. So first things first, we gotta start with some chicken. Okay, now that this is cut up, we are now going to set this aside real quick. Get this bowl. Here's what we're gonna need. We're gonna need stewed tomatoes. We're gonna put a little bit of them inside the blender, and then we're gonna blend them up. Let's blend them a little bit. Okay. And a little bit more. That should be good. Do it by looks. But quite a bit saucy. Now we're gonna pour it in. Bit of a soupy thickness thing. I'm adding it in because we are gonna have this, but we're also gonna have some tomato paste in it. But this adds a little bit of a different texture and a new taste. Well, this is a 12-ounce can. That's all we had as of right now. So add about half that in. Solid 6-ounce can, if you can. 3/4 cup water, so about 6 ounces. And then you mix it up. This is the sauce done. Now we gotta add some spices. So I'm gonna do, to add some spice, we're doing some cayenne pepper. Only add how much ever you want to make it taste good. We're not gonna add too much because we don't want it like overbearing for the rest of the taste. So we're gonna do that. You need some garlic taste to it. And there's a good garlic taste to it. And add a little bit more onion than you did garlic, so onion powder. Add some oregano. There you go. Okay. So, next is basil. Now, you could do the basil the dried basil and stuff, but that doesn't taste as good. So we're going to be adding some fresh basil leaves. So I'm going to bring this back real quick, move this to the side. And shred up the leaves. Sprinkle it in. And mix it through. Okay. So that's the sauce complete. A bit more crowded. Again, we do need cheese, otherwise it's not, Again, we do need cheese. So instead of mozzarella, Kobe Jack tends to be, or cheddar. Kobe Jack I like a little bit more, so to be inside these quesadillas. There we go. So let's make a chicken enchilada quesadilla. So again, cheese on the bottom, pieces of chicken. Try to make them a bit small. Add the sauce. And a bit more chicken. And then fold it over. And there you go, a chicken enchilada quesadilla. Okay, let's cook them and get to the final reveal. Ta-da! So I got my sister here right now, and she's going to taste the quesadillas. Go ahead.
I like.
Salmon one?
I love salmon. Salmon is my favorite.
What do you rate it?
An 8?
Nice.
Not perfect.
Not perfect, but it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Chicken enchilada.
Okay.
What do you think?
Better than I thought it would.
Yeah?
I'll give it a 7.
Nice. Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Would you say these are worth it to make?
They do taste good. Just
See you in another video.